Hey guys, welcome to my channel Success Sequence where we daily analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty's important move and expected level for the next day. So as you guys can see in this today's move, we have been expecting that the market should open gap up, and as you can see, the market did open gap up. However, you can see that the market was not able to sustain at a high level and has been trading slightly closer from its opening levels. So in this video we are going to analyze what this kind of move suggests, what are the levels that we need to observe, and what is the most likely move that we are going to observe by today's price action. So first let me tell you something about the candlestick formation that we have been observing. If after a good sort of uptrend, if you see this kind of pattern which has a lower body and a good amount of tail and a slightly lower sort of wick, it did suggest that the prices should have gone down but received some sort of support and finally was able to close at a high level. The upside wick is suggesting that the market could have closed at that higher point, but the forces on a higher level did close the market down, did force the market down, and finally the market was not able to sustain at a high level. So to conclude, this kind of move after a good sort of up move suggests that the market participants are not sure at a high level and they are expecting some sort of resistance to play out. So to remain on the safer side, what I would suggest it we should wait for the market to hold on to this particular moving averages for a particular 1 to 2 days, and then only we can go long. But what might happen in intervening time is that the market might face a resistance at this particular level. If you place and if you place this particular candle and measure the highs of this candle, what you can see that in the past also market has been experiencing resistance at this particular point level. So here you can see the market was trying to break this particular resistance, was also was able to break on a high set, but finally came down, felt a resistance, and finally saw a good sort of down move. So this particular level or this particular price point has been troubling the market in the past, and this can also continue in the ahead as well. So what the best way to trade this particular kind of pattern as per my analysis is, you should wait for the market to close above this particular candles low, which is around 10,380, and if the market closes below this particular level, then you can definitely expect a level till the previous candles low, which would be around 10,350. If market fails to hold on to this particular level, then you can also expect the market to go down till 10,300 and 10,300 kind of level. Now if you see the previous price point, you can see that the 10,300 has been acting as a good support for the market. You can see here the recovery, a sharp recovery, which has led once the market broke above this particular level. Here you can also see that the market did tested this level but finally was able to trade on the high side. So what I feel is, if market trades below the level suggested, you can definitely try and go short, and the final down move which you can expect in this particular kind of trade fashion and analyzing the previous price points is 10,300, and most likely the market should receive a support near 10,300 level. So that is what I am planning to do. Apart from that, if you are with me on my WhatsApp broadcast, and if anything in the analysis part changes, I'll definitely update to you. You can also join my WhatsApp broadcast by messaging me on the number mentioned in the description section. Apart from that, there is a Telegram channel that I have created, which is absolutely free. I will be sharing with you my daily videos that I have been making and any updates regarding my YouTube channel. So this is what I am my observation is with regard to Nifty. Let me just pull out the monthly chart. So as you can see in my previous video as well, I have mentioned that the market needs to close and trade above this particular level, which is in line with the 8 days of simple moving average, and it's falling around 10,350 360 level. So this month will be very crucial. If the market closes above 10,380 sort of level, you can definitely expect the market to go and jump onto 10,500 in the next session. But we need to observe the daily chart as well to calibrate our trades as per the daily time frames price action. Alright guys, so that was my analysis for the Nifty. Apart from that, let me just quickly share my analysis for the Bank Nifty as well. So as you guys can see, the market was able to close on a high side, and the Bank Nifty was also not an exception. You can see here that by breaking 89 days exponential moving average, the bank nifty has remained more bullish than the nifty. So you can see that there is a good sort of body with a slightly lower tail and a higher wick. This is also indicative of a resistance at a higher level, but what you can see is the longer time frame is suggesting that the break has happened. Apart from that, the rsi, cci and macd is already breaking above the exponential average. So most likely, if you want to go short in the bank nifty, you should wait for the bank nifty to trade below 25,080, which is about 200 about 100 point something down from this particular move. So if that happens and the nifty also trades in line with our analysis on downside, then there will be a good chances that the market can fall to the described level. For the bank nifty, I would feel that 24,800 should act as a good sort of support in case a down move comes. Apart from that, most likely I am of the opinion that the market should remain on the stable side. If the market is not going down, a stable to bearish kind of range bound move you should expect if the market is able to hold on to its crucial support level. So that's it for today's video guys. As always, if you have liked my video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share it to your friends and family on WhatsApp, Facebook and Telegram. If you have any doubt, comment, question or query, you can always mention it in the comment section of the video. If you want to learn the system that I have been using to generate buy and sell signal, you can definitely check out the video description. You will find the detailed playlist there. That's it for today's video guys. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.